Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable draw up gesture to start an application in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the smart and convenient. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in smart and convenient, okay, go to gestures in motion. And okay guys, here in gesture in motion, okay, you can see on the top the screen of gesture. Okay, you'll have to do is click this. And now here in screen of gesture, okay, and okay guys, here you can see the switch button on the right side of the screen of gesture. Okay, you only have to do is enable this. And now here, you can see the more screen of gesture below. And okay guys, you all have to do is click the screen of gesture. And now here in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the draw up gesture to start an application in your Oppo A5s. Okay, you all have to do is select the draw up gesture. And okay guys, now here you can see the start an app. And you all have to do is click this. And okay guys, now you can select the application you want to start. When you draw the arrow up in your screen, even the screen is off. And okay guys, you'll have to do is select the app. And okay guys, I choose the one of my app, the Chrome application. And okay guys, so okay, we have successfully create the draw up gesture start an application in Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, we can turn off the screen. And okay guys, okay, we can draw the arrow up on the screen. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the draw up gesture to start an application in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.